Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Melrose stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 2 plus 1. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. Into the next chain, make a half double crochet. Into the next chain, make a half double crochet. And then into the next chain, make a single crochet. And that is the sequence, so we're going to start repeating. Make a half double next, make a half double crochet in the next chain, then a single crochet, half double, then single crochet, half double, then a single crochet, make a half double crochet next, make a half double crochet next, make a single crochet next, half double, single crochet, half double, then we're ending this row with a single crochet. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Row 2 is going to be similar to row 1. It's going to be the same sequence. We're just working into stitches instead of chains. So we're going to start with the first stitch, make a single crochet into the first stitch. Now getting into that sequence, make a half double crochet into the next stitch. Make a half double crochet into the next stitch, then make a single crochet into the next stitch. Now we're going to start repeating from these 2 half doubles. Make a half double in the next stitch, make a half double in the next stitch, make a single crochet in the next stitch, make a half double in the next stitch, make a half double in the next stitch, make a single crochet in the next stitch, make a half double crochet, make a half double crochet, and make a single crochet, half double crochet next, half double crochet next, and a single crochet next, half double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet, then we're going to end this row. In this last stitch, make a single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project, and that is going to be how to make the Melrose stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.